Hi guys, welcome to all viewers to my YouTube channels. I am Chittaranjan Das. Okay, let us study about the preparation of haloalkane. In last class we have already discussed how can we prepare haloalkane from alkane, alkene and alcohol. Okay, today we read about the how can haloalkane prepare from silver salt of carboxylic acid. From silver salt of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay. From silver salt of carboxylic acid. Then first, what is the meaning of silver salt of carboxylic acid? Carboxylic meaning acid what? Carboxylic acid mean RCOOH. Okay. Carboxylic acid mean RCOOH or RC double bond O single bond OH. When this H replaced by a G are called silver salt of carboxylic acid. If this replaced by Na, then it is called sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Like that, silver salt of carboxylic acid means what? That is the RCOOH. Okay, then we prepare haloalkane. Then we prepare what? Haloalkane. So when it prepare or react with the bromine. Okay, when we react with the bromine, then what will form? Now RBr plus CO2 plus AgBr. Here you remember that it is also a step down reaction. Mean one carbon will less from the parent chain due to the decarbonylation or removal of carbon dioxide molecule. That is the decarbonylation process, and one carbon dioxide molecule removed from the carboxylic acid. So one carbon or less or step down. Okay, N to N minus 1 reaction. So for example, suppose CH3COOH react with bromine, then what happen? CH3Br plus CO2 plus AgBr. Okay, that is silver acetate. Silver acetate react with bromine to form methyl bromide. Methyl bromide. Okay, here is 2 number of carbon, but in the product side 1 carbon. So 1 carbon less during the reaction due to removal of carbon dioxide molecule, and this is called Hans-Dicker reaction. Very important naming reaction. This is called what? Hans-Dicker reaction. Hans-Dicker reaction. Okay, this is called Hans-Dicker reaction. Next, we read about the exchange of halide. Exchange of halides. Exchange of halide. Exchange of halide means already halogen attached to that carbon, but we want to the another haloalkane from one haloalkanes. Okay. Suppose mean haloalkane RX. X mean chlorine or bromine. Okay. X mean what? Mean alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. React with sodium iodide. React with what? Sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Then what happen? The halogen will exchange. Exchange mean here is one halogen, here is also one halogen. This halogen moves to this and this halogen moves to this. Only exchange. Only exchange mean iodoalkane Ri plus NaX. Okay, iodoalkane plus NaX. For example, CH3 CH2Br plus NaI in presence of acetone, then what happen? CH3 CH2Br plus CH3 CH2I plus NaBr. Okay, here is ethyl bromide, here is ethyl iodide. Okay, then halogen will exchange. This is called a Finkelstein reaction. This is called what? Finkelstein reaction. What? Finkelstein reaction. This is called Finkelstein reaction. Okay, when you write the naming reaction, okay, when the naming reaction comes on your question paper, then you write first the statement. Statement means what? Statement. First you write the statement. Mean when haloalkane react with the sodium iodide, when haloalkane react with the sodium iodide in presence of acetone, then its halogen will exchange. This is called Finkelstein reaction. When haloalkane treated with sodium iodide, then its halogen will exchange. This is called what? Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. Okay, then first you write the statement, then you write common form, then you write an example. Okay, just you cannot write this is called Finkelstein reaction. You complete in the one sentence. Okay, when the naming reaction comes on your question paper, then you first write the statement, then the common example, then one example. Okay, then we read about the Schwarz reaction. Okay, this is also exchange of halide. Mean it exchange with the fluorine. In Finkelstein reaction, the exchange with the iodine. Okay, when haloalkanes RX treated with any metallic fluoride, means like HgF, CO2F2, Hg2F2, SbF3, etc. Okay, mean any metallic fluoride, suppose react with HgF, then its halogen will exchange. Means its halogen is fluorine, this halogen is X, mean that is represent to chlorine or bromine. So fluorine will come to this and the halogen will come to this. So the halogen will exchange. So what will form? That is alkyl fluoride plus HgX. This is the best way. To form alkyl fluoride. Okay, this is the only way to prepare alkyl fluoride. First you prepare haloalkane, then it exchange with the fluorine in presence of metallic fluoride. Okay, in presence of metallic fluoride, this is called Schwarz reaction. This is called what? Schwarz reaction. Okay, this is called Schwarz reaction. Its statement: when alkyl halide treated with metallic fluoride, then alkyl fluoride is formed. For example, suppose CH3 CH2 OH react with the SOCl2, the X will form, then it again react with the HgF, then Y is formed. Identify X and Y. Okay, identification of X and Y. Here you see that here is a alcohol group. From alcohol react with SOCl2 in the Drazen reaction. Then what will form? Alkyl chloride, mean X will CH3 CH2 Cl. When it again react with HgF, when alkyl chloride or ethyl chloride react with HgF, its halogen will exchange. Then what will form? Y is CH3 CH2F. One is ethyl chloride, another one is ethyl fluoride. Okay, this is all about the preparation of haloalkane. This is all about the preparation of haloalkanes. Let us recall all the preparation of haloalkane in a pictorial form. In a pictorial form, in one picture, then you can remember all the preparation. Okay. Okay, this is the all about of preparation of haloalkane. In one picture, one single picture, we can represent all the preparation of haloalkane. Then first you see that we read about the preparation of haloalkane from alkane. From alkane treated with the halogen, that in presence of sunlight, the process is known as halogenation, then alkyl halide is formed. For example, suppose CH3 methane treated with Cl2 in presence of HNu or sunlight or UV light. Okay, HNu, then CH3 CH2 Cl, CH3 CH2 Cl. But in case of more than 2 alkane, then you can write the isomeric product, mean halogen. One halogen attached to the hydrogen atom, then question arises, the which carbon atom lose the hydrogen and accept halogens. Okay, so that it can replace to any carbon atom. But here is, if you replace from this, that is 1 chloro, mean here you replace this, then that is also 1 chloro, because this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree. If more than 2, mean propane, butane, that is 1 degree, 2 degree. Okay, then always give the primary product is the or primary product with a major group, that is highest degree, the carbon which contain highest degree. Means suppose 2 degree and 1 degree, then 2 degree get the major product and the 1 degree get minor product. Okay, next, from alkene we have already discussed about the how can you prepare from alkene treated with the HX. Okay, HX or HBr. HX mean HCl or HBr. When react with the HX, that is also addition product. Alkene means already double bonds are present. Okay, then when react with the HX, this double bond are break down, then one hydrogen goes to one carbon and halogen goes to one carbon. Then question arises, halogen goes to which carbon? Halogen goes to which carbon? So that there is two rule. One is Markovnikov's rule, another one is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule means, this is Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule mean halogen goes to that carbon which contain less number of hydrogen. Suppose CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with the HCl, then what will form? Here is what? 2 hydrogen atom, here is 1 hydrogen atom. So halogen goes to the carbon which contain less number of hydrogens. So that CH3 CH Cl CH3 mean 2 chloropropane. Okay, then if it react with the HBr, in presence of H2O2 or any peroxide, if it react with HBr in presence of peroxide, then it gives the anti-Markovnikov's rule. This is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, suppose the CH3 CH double bond CH2 react with H2, react with the HBr in presence of any peroxide, then halogen goes to the carbon which has more number of hydrogen, So here is 1 hydrogen, here is 2 hydrogen, so that halogen goes to the carbon which contain more number of hydrogen. The product is CH3 CH2 CH2Br. Okay, this is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Then from silver salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, today we discuss about the reaction of preparation of haloalkane from silver salt of carboxylic acid. This is the removal of CO2, so that one carbon will let step down reaction and then react with the bromine to form alkyl bromide. This is called what? This is called Horns-Dicker reaction. Horns-Dicker reaction. And the most important of the preparation from alcohol, because there are different way to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. First react with the halogen halide in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. Mixture of halogen halide and anhydrous ZnCl2 are called Lucas reagent. Okay, it is best way the preparation of primary and secondary alcohol to form the alkyl halides. Okay, for tertiary alcohol there is no requirement of the anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, it is only for preparation for primary and secondary 1 degree or 2 degree Lucas reagent, then haloalkane is formed. Suppose CH3 CH2 OH plus HCl, then one water group removed from this. This is the dehydrating reagent, means ZnCl2 remove water molecule from this. So in presence of ZnCl2, what will form? CH3 CH2Cl. Okay, this is also called Drops process. Drops process. When you react with the phosphorus trihalide, mean PCl3, phosphorus trihalide, just you remember, mean haloalkane react with the, alcohol react with the PX3. Here 3 halogen, here is one alkyl group, so it requires 3 molecule of Rx, so it requires 3 molecule. Then when PX3 or RH3 or 3Rx form, then here is S3O, here is 3H, H3O H3PO3. Okay, phosphorus acid H3PO3. Then write the preparation of alcohol with the PX5 mean phosphorus pentahalide PCl5. Suppose here is also specially for chlorine. Okay, when RX react with the ROH react with the PCl5, then one chlorine goes to alkyl group mean RCl, then one chlorine goes to H plus HCl plus POCl3. Okay, and this is the best way. To when it react with the thionyl chloride SOCl2 thionyl chloride. This is Drazen reaction. In presence of pyridine. Okay, it is also specially for alkyl chloride mean ROH alcohol react with the thionyl chloride SOCl2 in presence of pyridine, then RCl plus HCl plus SO2. Okay, sulfur dioxide is prepared. This is the Drazen reaction. Then important, that is KBr with H2SO4, KBr with H3PO4. Okay, sorry, not KBr, that is Ki. Mean for iodoalkane it require the weak acid. For any chloro mean bromo or chloro alkane, then it require sulfuric acid. Okay, when KBr react with the H2SO4, then KHSO4 form, then one H remove, so that it will form what? This H remove the water molecule from alcohol mean react with the KBr in presence of H2SO4 mean first KBr react with H2SO4 that will form KHSO4 plus hydrogen, and this hydrogen react with the OH from what? Alcohol, and bromine attached to alkyl halides. So RBr plus water plus KHSO4 potassium hydrogen sulfate. Okay, for iodoalkane it will prepare from by the H3PO4. Okay, then Ki with the H3PO4 mean we prepare iodoalkane. As the mean iodoalkane are the more reactive, so it require weak acid like H3PO4. Okay, for the chloride or bromide require the sulfuric acid, but for iodoalkane it require H3PO4. Like that in red phosphorus with Hi. Okay, if ROH plus Hi in presence of red phosphorus, then Ri plus water. Okay, iodoalkane is formed. Clear? Then we prepare the alkyl halide from another alkyl halide mean exchange of halide. There are two ways for the exchange. One is sodium iodide or potassium iodide to form the iodoalkane to exchange the iodine with the other halogen. Another one is the metal halide. Metal halide mean AgF. Okay, COF2, SbF3, like that. Metal halide fluoride, then metal fluoride, then alkyl fluoride is formed. This is called Finkelstein reaction. This is called Schwarz reaction. This is called what? Schwarz reaction. Okay, this is all about the preparation of haloalkane. Okay, then you can take a screenshot, just one picture, then you can remember all the preparation. Okay, all the preparation. You can practice this picture 2 to 3 days. Then you also speak one by one repeatedly. Okay, thank you.